Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join as a student to our institute and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our upcoming you can join our upcoming online batches also, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like West Bengal joint. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the WBJE, and the question is telling us that if a equals to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, and our theta is equals to 2 pi by 7, and so then our a to the power 100, that means matrix multiplication up to 100 times is equals to what? So there are four options here, which are cos theta minus sin to theta, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, 1001 and 0 minus 1 10. Okay, so what can be done here? So okay, as we know that 100 into 2 pi by 7 is equals to what? That will be 200 pi by 7. Okay, so we can write it in this thing. That means we know that uh, okay, so let the pi be in this side, or let us take pi away, so then it will be what? So that can be 2, so then we will get 14 here. After that, so we will get 60. Okay, so what can we get? We get 28, so that is 56, so we will get 4. Okay, so finally we can write that is 200 is equals to 28 into 7 plus 4 by 7 into 5. So we can write it as 28 pi plus 4 pi upon 7. Okay, so think, as our a is equals to cos theta minus sin theta, let me write in the screen. Okay, so let our a is what? Cos theta minus sin theta, and sin theta here and cos theta here. Okay, so now what? This is a projection matrix. So now what can be done here? So if we take a to the power k, then the property of this matrix is that this matrix becomes cos k theta minus sin k theta, and we will get sin k theta here, and our a22 term will be cos k theta. Okay, so put this value in here. So as our theta is equals to what? As our theta is equals to 2 pi by 7. So that's why I computed this thing. So after that, what can be done here? So finally, we are getting a to the power 100. So that is equals to cos 200 pi by 7. That is minus sine 200 pi by 7. And here also we will get sine 200 pi above 7. 200 pi of 7, and here we will get cos of 200 pi over 7. Okay, so what can be done here? So we think that our this is cos of 28 pi plus 4 pi upon 7, and that will be what? That is minus sine into 28 pi plus 4 pi upon 7. And here we'll also get this thing, sine of 28 pi plus 4 pi above 7. And here we are getting cos of 28 pi plus 4 pi above 7. So this is our matrix, which is a to the power 100. Okay. So now as we are getting cos 28 pi and all, so that is what? So by the, so as our this thing is periodic, so using this periodicity of sine and cos, we are finally getting this thing. Let me cover up with the brackets. Okay, things got messy here. Yeah. And finally we are getting cos 4 pi above 7. So what is this? So 4 pi 7 is equals to 2 into 2 pi 7, 2 pi by 7. So we are finally getting cos 2 theta. Here we getting sine 2 theta minus sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Okay, so what is, so what the correct option of this question? So our option A is the correct answer of this question. Okay, so again I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join as a student to our institute. Then you will enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.